So let's explore quickly the red list under the IBA guidelines. The red list actually is divided into two parts. There's a non-waivable part, which cannot be waived by the parties. So even if the parties agree to waive these particular conflicts, they may not do so. There's another list consisting of waivable conflicts, and we'll get to that in a minute. But I think it's important that we just spend a little bit of time on the non-waivable red criteria. So under this, it says that if there is an identity between a party and the arbitrator, or the arbitrator is a legal representative of an entity that is a party to the arbitration, then that arbitrator may not act.
What is the concept of arbitrability under UNCITRAL? Dispute resolution by arbitration depends on three preconditions. So subjective arbitrability, objective arbitrability, and compliance with procedures. So first looking at subjective arbitrability, which is the key legal capacity of a party to act in legal proceedings and to conclude an arbitration agreement according to the law of the state in which the individual is a citizen or where the legal entity has its registered main office. So that's about the subjective arbitrability.
Mediation is really perfect when there's a long-term relationship, when you have what we often call family business disputes or even business divorce to try to avoid that divorce. It helps parties to maintain a relationship. It maintains confidentiality also, as I mentioned before, and allows for a creative outcome. That's what's called enlarging the pie or the win-win, because it's not just based on a legal determination. Parties can decide to, instead of paying a certain amount, come up with a new contract. Anything is possible in a mediation. So it's an opportunity for an amicable commercial resolution. So in domestic mediation, if you ask why choose, well, it's not always a choice. In many, many countries, if you go to court, you will be sent to mediation, or the procedural rules will force parties to negotiate or mediate before they even file a statement of claim.